Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for coming back. We've all had it happen where we have two products that we're looking to try out, sometimes from the same brand but different lines of their collection. You want to mix them in, or you may have a gel that works great from one company but a cream that works great from another, and you want to mix them together to see if they're going to cause beads in your hair or smooth Ric Flair. So stay tuned so I can show you exactly how I do that. So usually if you're using products from the same company in the same specific line, like I'm using this Aussie Instant Freeze Gel and this Aussie Miracle Curls, this is actually from the same line, you would anticipate and hope that they actually will be good for a good cocktail, because essentially they're going to make that line to all work cohesively together. But if you're using this brand but a different line of this brand, it may not mix. But this is how you can figure it out. So I'm going to take a little bit of the gel and the cream to show you guys if it will mix together, if it won't. So first you want to take a little bit of the gel and literally just put it on your hand. So you can put a little more, because you really want to know if it's going to work or not. So you can see I put a little bit here, right there. Then I'm going to take a little bit of their cream, put it in the same spot, just a little bit. And baby, all I need is a little bit. So take that cream, and then what you want to do is mix it. And see, as I'm mixing it, it's not beating up. It's still real creamy. So that is how you know that it's going to do the same thing in your hair. It's going to mix well, it'll be creamy, it'll be a great consistency. And y'all thought I was going to waste that. Nah. I'm about to show you exactly how it works actually in the hair. And as you can see, it absorbs very easily and well. No beaded texture here. It's a little white at first, but most creams are like that when you first apply. But as you can see, it doesn't have that beady residual look. So now you save yourself some time and know that it works. Now I'm going to show you how it looks when they don't mix well together. So I'm going to be showing you guys how it should look when it doesn't mix well. So this is the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding. It's actually one of my favorite puddings. I like using this in my hair as well as my son's hair. So take a little bit of that cream. Once again, put it on my hand. Take a little bit of that black castor oil and flaxseed gel by EcoStyler and try to mix it in. And as you see, it's getting kind of gritty and like chunky, like the texture of it is like balling up. That's what you don't want to do in your hair. Doesn't mean that these are not good products to use individually or with a different mix, but together, this is gonna happen in your hair. So save yourself some time and try it out first. So now that I know those two are not gonna work together, I won't be putting them in my hair together. Now, like I said, I love the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch and Pudding individually. I use it a lot for twist outs for my hair as well as my son's hair. And I love, I always use that EcoStyler Black Castor Oil as well. Just lick these edges for some wash and goes as well. But not together, boo boo. They just don't go together. They don't want to date. They don't like each other. They different. So now I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick little low bun, now that I know those two products work together. The Aussie Miracle Curls cream and the Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. Gonna rub those together real quick, like so. Rub it in my hair. Like I said, it will show up white originally. As you can see, that dissipates. Just doing a quick little low bun. Using me a good old headband. little bun. Well, it's really a puff because I'm not gonna make it into a bun. Hopefully something. Like those edges, girl. If I can pick this up. No, I want my little edges to be laid, honey. I ain't gonna do anything crazy today. Just give them a little swoop. A little something for the people. Okay, I am gonna do a little something. Okay, I'll do a little swoop. Just a little one, dang. Yeah, just a little. I gotta do that side like that. Dang, I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I did. I can't help it. I like them like that. I said I like it like that. I like edges, I like curls, I like products that change my world. Bars. Bars. And so, as you can see, those products work together. And you don't have to worry about that chunky debris in your hair. So if you tried this product cocktail trick, I would love for you to come back and leave a comment below and let me know what products you tried out and if they worked well together as a cocktail or if they did not. So if you like this tip, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell so you get notifications when new posts become available, sis. Because how you gonna know? You're not. You're not, okay? So hit that bell. Otherwise, thanks again for coming to see my videos. Until next time, bye gems. Cha cha cha.